Well, I'm here at ISE 2019 and we are at the Glensound stand, and this is one of 2 videos that we're doing here, so don't forget to check out the other one. This one is about a brand new product, and the man who's talking about it, of course, is Gavin Davies. Hi, Gavin.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, I'm seeing a turntable image. What we got here?
So it is a little bit of a strange product, if you like. It is a turntable pre-amplifier in this modern world with a Dante AES67 network output on the back of it.
So obviously turntables are now becoming ever so popular again. How do you get that to integrate with something like Dante?
I guess in the past, or until we developed this product, people were having to use old-fashioned analog turntable preamps and then an analog to Dante converter as an external box. We had a customer come to us who wanted a more integrated, sensible solution, and we designed it for them. So this is actually a twin turntable preamp, very common in most broadcast facilities to have 2 turntables, a backup or a spare. So this does both of those. We started from scratch, really. We haven't made a turntable preamp for 25 years, and we'd forgotten how to. Yeah. But it was quite good because we had the ability to make it as best as you possibly can in the modern world from starting from scratch. So this has an analog front end to it with lots of capacitance and resistance settings, so you can match your cartridge perfectly. But the bit that we did an interesting thing is the rear equalisation. It's really important to get that curve right to get the best possible performance. And in the old days, this would have been done entirely with analog electronics. Doing it entirely digitally isn't quite right either, because there's a lot of time constraints within the re-equalising the rear curve, and you need to do that in analog, but finalise it digitally as well. So we've got a very high quality analog front end with the starting of the rear equalisation done in the right value caps to get the best time constraints for it. And then we go through a very wide range analog to digital converter into a DSP because we've got that there for the Dante outputs, and then we tailor and finalise the rear equalisation curve in the DSP, and the result is we're within 0.1 of a dB of the genuine curve that you should be all the way across the bandwidth. So it's a fantastic performance. We don't cut corners at Glensound, we never have, so we're using the best ADC you can get on the market, 140 odd dB of dynamic range on it, so the noise performance on this is as good as you can possibly get. It's designed to be fairly easy to set up for the customer. We've got a whole load of dip switches on the front here. These are to set up the resistance and the capacitance set loadings for your cartridge. And once you set them up, we've got a nice little plastic cover to stop people coming along and fiddle them. And on the back here, we've got the Dante AES67 outputs. We're using the redundant circuit side of this, so we're not one of the lower cost Dante modules. This is the high-end device. We've got fibres and copper. Run all the way up to 192K, 48K, whatever you want. So it's a real high-end device.
Gavin, amazing as always. First time I've seen this. When can we expect this to be shipping?
It is shipping now. The first customer is using it on air probably at this very moment.
Well, there you have it. Go and have a look at their website, find out more about their amazing Dante preamplifier for turntables. And don't forget to check out the other video that we've done here at Glensound at ISE 2019.